Today's execution. Prerequisites and platform installation. Welcome to TradeExecutor. This is step 1 of your setup. Before you begin, there are 2 prerequisites you must have in place. First, you need an active TradeStation brokerage account. If you do not have one, visit TradeStation.com and click Open Account. Paper trading accounts are also supported. Second, you need TradeStation Desktop installed on your computer. Log into your TradeStation account, navigate to Platforms, and locate the desktop download. Click Download. Your browser will prompt you to save the installer file. Save it to your Downloads folder. Confirm the save location and click Save. Windows will ask for permission. The publisher is TradeStation Technologies. Click Yes to allow the installation. The setup wizard will open. Click Next to proceed through the installation. When the installation is complete, click Finish. TradeStation Desktop is now ready. You also need a stable internet connection. TradeStation requires it for all live and simulated trading. Now, navigate to TradeExecutor.ai and open the member area. Enter your license key. This was delivered to your email after checkout. If you completed your purchase and were redirected to the member area automatically, your license key is already displayed. Once validated, you will see your dashboard. Your license tier is displayed on the right. Your download files are listed on the left. Click the download icon next to your package to save it to your computer. If you purchase the standard setup, you will download the strategy logic file. If you purchase the complete setup, you will download both the strategy logic and the master workspace. That completes step 1. You now have TradeStation Desktop installed, your account active, and your files downloaded. Proceed to step 2 to import your strategy and begin setup. If you purchase the complete setup, proceed directly to step 3.